Alright guys, I just want to give you guys a little update on what's going on here with the 3D printing. So still currently just running the one printer there, but today our donations finally brought in the first new printer here, so I got that to put together tonight. I have two more printers on the way, one more from that same company, and then one off of eBay. The one off of eBay still hasn't shipped, so who knows when that one will get here. But then that third printer will be here Sunday for me to put together. So pretty cool being able to move forward and get more of these things going. So thanks for all the donations I've gotten. Please share the video and everything so that way we can get more of this going on. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that update on the printers and then what I've printed so far. So I've gotten 12 of these guys out to Afghanistan with the face shields on. They're actually not that model. Let's walk over here and take a look in the bin. They were this guy here, where the clear sheet just slips in there. I'll bring it back in the light. So yeah, you just slip your your plastic sheet in between the two layers there. It just kind of slides in there and holds it in there. But NIH finally approved an easy to print model. The other model was a pain in the ass to print, so I'm glad that not this one. This one was not an approved model. It worked, so it's good enough. But yeah, NIH just approved this one. It's a 6-hole punch, so I had to go grab some hole punches from work to do the hole punching for them. But these ones will be a lot better. I've been able to get a whole lot of these guys out to people that need them, and then this here is a different mask. This one, it uses the Halyard or whatever, Halyard. There we go, Halyard H600 cloth. It's a medical cloth that they put over cleaned and sanitized surgical tools, so that way it filters down to it was a 0.3 micron, so it filters good enough to get the virus out of the way. Don't mind that. So yeah, we'll be putting that together tonight, and we'll have another printer running tonight, and just got to make a bunch of masks. I was really happy to be able to get those masks out to our doctors downrange, and then I got in contact with the local hospital with their COVID ward, so I'm now making some masks to hopefully get to them. They said they were interested in them, so I'm just going to get some ready before they actually need them. I've also been able to get a hold of a couple of other places, so these things are getting out and getting to people that need them. So I just need to get this second printer up and running, and then I'll be able to do it. And yeah, I've moved up off the floor. I figured people wouldn't like their medical stuff being made on the floor. So yeah, that's that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please share this. You don't have to subscribe. Just share this so that way we can get more printers going, get more filament, and just keep moving. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.